Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. This one is a quick honey mustard recipe, and I wrote some words down to describe how good this sauce is. Mint, sensational, waxer, all time, unreal, and bow selector. That all said and done, let's get you started. Real easy this one. What we're going to do is throw in 1/3 of a cup of Dijon mustard, 1/4 of a cup of honey, 1/4 of a cup of mayo, a teaspoon of wholegrain mustard, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a pinch of salt, and the juice of half a lime. Mix it all together and you're good to go. Pretty much perfect for burgers, sangers, or dipping your chicken nuggets in. Thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think and I'll see you in the next one.
Whoa, mustard makes me cry. I hate it. Suicide.